Hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So I don't know about you, but I seem to really like iOS 26, iPad OS 26. I really do like the way the phone looks. It looks brand new, feels like a new phone again. With 120 hertz ProMotion on this iPhone 16 Pro Max, everything seems very buttery smooth and very quick. But I know there may be some of you out there who don't like the look of the liquid glass and can't get down with the transparency. Maybe you've had a little bit of issue with the menu and text and you don't like that, but I will 100% give this credit to Apple News here, and then this article I had read here as part of Apple News in Gizmodo, and I just want to show you a little bit of what they did. And maybe like you, like my wife, she's maybe not the biggest fan right now of the liquid glass because of all the transparency. Everything just seems to blend in, which she's not sure, she's on the fence if she likes or not, but maybe you are the same way too. So I'm going to go into the settings right here, and then from settings it is going to be the second set of menu selections down, and right under the general there is accessibility. So we're going to tap on the accessibility, and then right in accessibility you're going to see display and text size. So when you get into this, you're going to see some options here. The two main ones you want are going to be reduce transparency and increase contrast. So we're going to show you what it looks like right now. You can see what the icons look like. We're going to go back into settings. We're going to turn on reduce transparency, and then you can see that right away. My background here of Haystack Rock, you can see now we've got the battery there, but you can't now see through the background and into the top of Haystack Rock. And then you go here, all of it has been a little bit more defined right here. So as we are viewing this, you can see it is no longer as transparent as before. We're going to go back into the settings, and then we're going to actually turn on increase contrast, and you can see right away in the menu what that does. And then if you take a look at that, you've got more defined space right here around the icon. You've got more of a definition, more of a border. And then we're going to go back again into settings, and let's turn off reduce transparency, but we're going to leave increase contrast. And you can see there, you can actually see the transparency in the battery icon there, this little widget right there. You can actually see through Haystack Rock, and then you get into here, into your app library, and you can still see stuff in the background, but yet your icons are a little bit more defined. So what we're going to do now is just turn on both reduce transparency and increase contrast. And again, you've got more defined icons. You've got, stuff just doesn't appear as transparent because it's not, because we've turned that off. Now everything is just a little bit easier to see, a little bit more defined with your icons and your menus. And to me, this may be something you like, and if it is, that's how you do it. Choose one, choose both in terms of reduce transparency or increase contrast. But for right now, with myself, I'm just going to keep these off, and I like it the way it is. But again, if you don't, you've got some options right here. If you like this video, helped you out, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye for now.